Okay, welcome back to the $100 a month portfolio. It is March 15th, which means I got another $50 deposit into the account. I didn't get it. I put that money in there. Nobody's doing it for me. Anyway,
all of which are American dreams.
so $50, that's going to hit that automatic transaction for M1. I did come in here and Tesla is pretty far down. I just put $10 of my automatic investment in the Tesla, and I'm letting M1 distribute rest of the funds as it sees fit. In addition to that $50, I had another $526 from Realty Income, so giving me $55.26 minus the 10 that I put into Tesla trade, and M1 is gonna use the rest of the $45.26 to try to even me out over here to get me at 20%. One of the things I wanted to talk about is Tesla. I'm not going to go over all the financials and all that trash. I'm just a regular dude investing $100 a month, and I believe in Tesla. Tesla's in the news, obviously, with all the political stuff Elon is doing. Babies want to sell. So Tesla was at a high of about 479 in December, down to, what are we at, 250 right now. Decrease of about 50%. Don't like it for the portfolio, but let me show you how I do like to take advantage of these huge swings. So in addition to the $100 a month portfolio, which I have set up to show that anybody can do this with just $100 a month. But I do have another account because everything's transparent here. So let's go over to the Charles Schwab account. Here I'm on the realized gains and losses. Previous year, I'm pulling up Tesla. Let me do a search again. And so this is what I do. When Tesla is going from, bear with me here. Okay, so September and October is when these two transactions took place. So September, we've got, let's go September 219 down to 210, up to 226, up to 250, and then again back October back to 217, 213, back up to 270. So those are the two swings that I took advantage of, and you can see that right here. So on September 23rd, closed at 246, and I sold 10 shares, which I had bought previously. I don't know exactly what day, but made a profit of about $470. So what I did was I bought it down there around 200 with a limit order. I'm not timing the market. I'm just setting a limit, what I think it's going to go down to. I'll call it 200. The day I purchase it for 200, I'm going to set another limit order to sell it for 250 and get that and take advantage of that swing. Then I did that again in October, somewhere around here. Set a limit order, probably 215, because I'm going to keep it even, round numbers. The day I bought it at the low, I set another limit order to sell it right there. Numbers are right here. Got that profit and made that. So what I'm doing again, while Tesla is in the news, give me a minute here to transition over. Open trades, Tesla. So I've got a limit order in to buy 11 shares of Tesla at 225. Currently it's at 249. So I don't know if it's going to make it down to 225. I'll watch it for another week. I might bump this up to 230 because even at 230, I know it's going to swing back up to 280, 300, and I will set a limit order as soon as this gets triggered. You'll notice here that I'm buying not 10 shares, but 11 shares. The reason for that is I like Tesla. I don't want to sell all of the shares. So I'm going to buy 11. As soon as this is triggered, I will set a limit order to sell 10 and keep one share at the 225. And then I will sell 10. I probably set my limit order at 325 because I would like to start doing these at $1,000. You know, if I could buy 22 shares, then I could just have the spread at $50, but I don't have that much capital right now to do that. So, but if I can make $1,000 on each of these trades, and this isn't get rich quick, I'm not doing this in a day. This is just one method to get another income stream going. $1,000 here, $1,000 there. Next thing you know, starts adding up. $1,000, big deal. $1,000 is 10 months of the funding I need for the $100 a month portfolio. Do that twice, I've funded this portfolio for well over a year. That's how I'm looking at it. So we'll see if it comes down. You'll know. You can set an alert, and if Tesla comes down to 225, even if it just touches it, doesn't have to sit there, doesn't have to be there for a day. You know, it's coming down. It's been as low as 217. So my 225, I hope, will get triggered. So let me know what you think about that. That's my strategy for, in addition to getting the income from my dividend paying stocks, if I can do this once a month with Tesla because it swings crazy and make $1,000 a month, that's great. Or $1,000 every other month, whatever. That's $6,000 in the year. For me, that's great. So, like I said, I like Tesla because of the huge swings. If you know of another stock that I could be doing this with that isn't at the $250 level, you know, let me know. Is there a stock that you're doing this with? Is this something that you would be interested in trading this way? I like it, and I'm going to continue doing it. Let me know your thoughts. Let me know what I could do, or if you think there's something I could do differently, you know, I'd like to hear it. But as of now, this is what I'm doing, just rolling stock with Tesla, and I will look at the other stocks in my portfolio to see if there's anything there. But nothing moves with the swings like Tesla does, and that's why I chose it. So that's it for now. Another quick, short video. Let me know what you think of this rolling stock strategy, and I will see you in the next one, hopefully. Thank you.